Hey, what's up guys? So just got the new iPad, a bit late, but still want to go ahead and check it out. Got the new 12.9 inch and I do have the new MacBook Air in gold. Take a look at that as well. Lots of goodies, exciting day today. Actually, so excited for this after seeing it in the store. Like, this product is one of the most stunning, aside from the Apple Watch, that Apple has released in the last few years. All right, so that's good. Got the smaller one, larger one. Love the new artwork, the crazy styles they have on the new iPhones and the iPads. Great stuff. And a couple other things. So we've got the sleeve, fan of these. Love the navy blue color. And the new Apple Pencil, which I had a moment to try out in the store. It's got a matte finish now, really great. So the packaging is different from what I remember. You don't need a knife to open it on the iPad anymore. From the side. See if you can hear that packaging feel. Okay, so this thing is now 25% smaller in volume, and it's about the same size as an 8x11 A4 piece of paper. Incredibly compact, and I got the 1TB version. So what you may not know is that the 1TB version has 6 GB of RAM. The standard one has 4. And wow. That is so thin. This thing is a considerable amount heavier than the old generation, but smaller footprint in general, and it feels amazing. That is a huge camera, insane. Listen to this. Okay, so there's that. Wow, that is compact. And 100%, this design is literally made to hold this thing a little bit easier because of the thinner bezels. That is so cool. Like, this is the first Apple product in a while that makes me feel like a kid again. Wow. There's that new connector that the Apple Pencil attaches to on the side, SIM card slot. Smart connector has been relocated. My goodness, that camera is huge. Antenna bands, kind of more obvious now, but still very sleek. Okay, I'm gonna power that on and get to the 11-inch version. So I love how compact it is. And this is the new fast charger. So exactly the same one that leaked that we thought would be for the iPhone XS model. Very cool, USB-C, and a USB-C to USB-C cable for the first time. How cool is that? Let's move on to the 11-inch here. Should have made it so it goes all the way around. How satisfying would that be? Oh my goodness. Could they make this box any harder to open? Okay. And there's this one. This feels almost too small now. Like, wow. This is Apple hardware engineering at its finest. Such a sleek device. You're gonna be seeing these everywhere, kiosks probably. Wow. I'm just like marveling at the engineering here. We modeled this thing, but it doesn't really portray how thin it is in person. 5.9 millimeters, one of the thinnest Apple products they've ever released. And USB-C, that is so neat. Hopefully because of this, Apple brings it to the iPhone too. The uniformity would be very nice. And same deal here, so same accessories. Okay, so that's the new iPad. Set it up in a minute, but let's take a look at the Apple Pencil. Generation 2. I heard that the battery doesn't last as long on this one. It discharges faster. Okay. Now, it's a very nice feeling. It's sturdier in the hand, grippier. So artists will appreciate that little change. And do you get tiny Apple stickers with this? No. There's that. Oops. And let's open up the MacBook Air here. This is the gold finish. So it only exists on the MacBook Air now. Apple got rid of the rose goldish finish on the standard MacBook. So they made it a little bit more of an exclusive color. You have to upgrade to this to get it. Color seems familiar. Man, I used to edit my videos on a MacBook Air, like the first redesigned one after the original. It's a great device. And this one now has Touch ID without the touch bar. It's very nice, sleek, quite heavy for its size. But I heard it's a pretty decent value, considering that the other MacBook starts, like $100, $200 less. There's that. Very compact MacBook Air. And this is the first time ever that Apple has color-coded the Apple stickers. The stickers now come in this same gold finish. And yeah, standard stuff in there. A little bit of a smaller charger versus a standard one. USB-C. That's Face ID on an iPad for the first time ever. I've never actually gotten an iPhone or any other device that was fully charged. Square interface for Face ID now. All right, cool. So it should be on par speed-wise with the Kanye, where you at? With the iPhone XS. Truly remarkable how sleek this device seems. And there's that. What a difference from the last generation. Now it does have quite the price premium to make up for it. I'll definitely get more in depth with it in the future videos. The first impressions are spectacular. What a device. All right guys, there it is. The new iPads, the MacBook Air, and the Apple Pencil. So stay tuned for future videos. But wow, I'm very impressed. Great job, Apple. All right, peace.